Guys, it's your girl Dami. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look for Elena. I first started off by dividing her hair into two sections, one at the top, one at the back. I'll be doing the back in mini twist, and I'll be showing you guys how I start my twist off. I start off the twist in plaits first, so I plait the hair first and then I twist it. Best tip is to plait it first and then to twist it, because if you don't, it does not last long enough. So I plait it first and then I twist it. I do apologize, I was a bit out of frame for a little bit because she kept moving, but I'm gonna show you guys again how I start the twist off. So I do mini twist in the back, and in the front I'm gonna be doing the cornrows. Okay, so here's the section that I'll be showing you guys how I start off. So at first, I just divide the hair into three parts and then I just plait it. I know some of you guys call it braids. I call it plaits. Okay, so I plait it first. I don't plait it all the way. I just plait it for a little bit. And then I divide that now into two and then I do a twist. And that's all I did for the back. And then for the front, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my cornrows. I just started learning just by doing her hair, so I'm not 100%, professional or pro, but based on how I show you, anyone can achieve this style, okay? Just practice makes perfect. Okay, so on to the front. I did give her two little pieces to the front just to make the style a bit cuter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part that section off. I was gonna do the bigger cornrows first and then that last, but then I changed my mind. But yes, all the products that I'm using, I'm gonna go ahead and link them down in the description below. You guys, I use the same products all the time unless I see something that catches my eye at the store and then I change, but it's normally the same product all the time. And I don't use too much of the gem shine on her scalp or on her hair because I can't really work too well when it's too saturated with the gem and shine. So I just do it just enough so it looks neat, but not a lot where it's just a lot of product in her hair. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I start my corner off. So I just divide the top part like I'm doing a plait, and then I just interloop. I can't really explain it, but I'm gonna show it to you. Sorry you guys. So that's all I did, and I'm gonna show it to you again just so that if you're a beginner like me, you'll learn, because trust me, I did not know how to do hair until I got girls. Okay, Elena's head blessed me in order for me to do a little something something when it came to cornrows and stuff, because I did not know how to do hair before. So yeah, I'm just intertwining, and then I did end up twisting the ends. And I did it's like uniform in the back. I plait first and then twisted the ends. So I did the same for the cornrow. I did the corner first, which is the plait, and then I twisted at the ends. And here for the twist out, I'm just using the ORS hair pudding just to make sure that the twists look a bit more juicy, and it also moisturizes the hair as well so it doesn't look so dry or feels dry. And here's another view on how I do my cornrow. I don't know how to really explain it in words on how I do it. I just, divide the beginning into three parts and then I just interloop through the hair behind, so it makes like a flat braid or a flat plait. But I hope this really helps. If not, let me know in the comments and I'll try to maybe do a close-up video on another maybe hairstyle that I do in the future, and I can really slow it down and show it to you how I do my cornrow. this is the end result, you guys. I did use some mousse just to, finish off the style. And yeah, I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.